Continuing on with 3DX Tech Week, today we're looking at ESD ABS. We did have a look at ESD PLA last week, so feel free to check that one out too. So, why would you want an ESD ABS? Let's find out. ABS is well known for having superior structural strength compared to materials such as PLA. This allows it to be used in more demanding environments where it's under high pressure or heat. Mix in some of those sweet ESD properties we talked about in our last video, and you get a great material that is both strong and resistant to electrostatic discharge, making it perfect for things like bodywork on cars. For our demo, we printed this light switch cover on our Flash Forward Creator 3 at a temperature of 230 degrees and a bed temp of 105. 3DX Tech recommends printing between 220 and 240 degrees, as well as having a bed temperature of 100 and 110 degrees. They also say that printing at higher temperatures can degrade the filament's ability to stop electrostatic discharge. Similar to ESD PLA, it was made in a clean environment, which means it has low particulate contamination. It also has improved retention of impact and elongation. It also has minimal ionic contamination and outgassing, which means that it doesn't affect the immediate environment around it. To finish off, we think it's a great, well-priced ESD material for medium strength applications like light switches or internal housings. Don't forget, it's 3DX Tech Week here on the channel, where we're talking about a different filament from 3DX Tech every day of the week. You can find the link for this one in the description below, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also check out our web store.